Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary and I'd like you to enjoy my videos here at Rocky Mountain Gardens whenever I post one. I also invite you to go ahead and subscribe if you like what you see. Let's jump into today's video, which is going to be a tour of my cousins Linda and Jerry's home, their Christmas home. And it's always fun to watch tours of Christmas decorations, don't you agree? Well, guys, my cousin Linda, in case you missed it, last year I posted a video of her tour, which featured her theme of snowmen. And this year, her theme is Santas. Guys, you will not believe it, but she told me that she has counted 225 Santas in her collection. So if you're a big Santa fan, come on with me as we look at her home, how it's decorated inside and out. And I think you're really going to enjoy it. And in case you missed the video from her tour last year, just check down in the description box. I'll put a link to it so that you can click on that if you want to go back and see what she did last year. All right then, let's get started.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We ran into a drifted bank, and there we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Let's begin tonight in the foyer. And I wanted to share with you this beautiful chandelier that Linda received from our great aunts, Elizabeth and Catherine. You see their picture right here on the left. We'll walk over here to this gorgeous and very large ceramic tree that Linda made some time ago. It is painted beautifully. Coming around here, there's a table of delicious Christmas cookies just waiting for us. And this beautifully set dining room table has been the place of many cousin dinners and get-togethers over the years. As you can see here, there are quite a few of us in our family, and we add more all the time. Isn't this a delightful collection of Lennox figures? And that darling Santa there, working at his desk. Another of the many Christmas trees in the collection, with quite a few nativity sets under each tree as well. And Santa and his reindeers flying around the tree. Here are quite a few different types of Santas gracing the table and the other side of the centerpiece. And another little village here with Santa flying his reindeer. And there's a small hallway, and Linda takes advantage of every space to decorate with this narrow cabinet she has. Lots of things to look at and appreciate. Even a Santa added to that cute little wreath. And Santas and other little critters all gathered on the stairs. Another gorgeous wreath. And swinging around to the other side of this little hallway is another cute vignette with a Santa right there at the top of the tree. Let's take a look at the living room area. Santa's coming down the chimney there. And the piano is dressed with more Santas. How many have you guys counted so far? And here we have a snow globe lantern with Santa. And there's a close-up of Santa climbing down that chimney. This is a beautiful flocked tree with gorgeous ornaments on it. Don't you agree? The icicles on it really make it sparkle. And here's another nativity to help us keep in mind the reason we celebrate Christmas. And there's Santa kneeling before baby Jesus. Another snow globe with a little church and some little mini Santas on the coffee table. And here is their glorious 9-foot tall tree in the family room, with with a Santa topper. Of course, the mantle is decorated with Mrs. Claus and more Santas, and this little boy gazing out the window at Santa flying by. And a winking Santa right there. Isn't that a beautiful mantle and hearth area? Here's a view that I climbed up the stairs to show you the entire room. And a close-up of Santa, more Santas. There's Rudolph and his little girlfriend, Clarice. Now let's step into the kitchen. And I filmed this actually when Linda and Jerry were hosting another family Christmas get-together. So I had to shoo everyone out of the kitchen so I could show you how she has decorated. In my video last year, I didn't get this part of your house, so you might enjoy seeing all of her gingerbread collection up there on top of the cabinets. Really darling. Here's a little closer view. Here we're catching Santa with his cookies. He's just about to take a little bite. Beautiful cookie jar. And then they have decorated their kitchen Christmas tree with these lovely kitchen ornaments, all kinds and many different styles of ornaments. Really pretty. Cute teapot and teacup. Now take a look at the vintage stove and fridge on the tree. Aren't they adorable? Here's an example of these cute ornaments which all have yummy recipes on the backs of them. Isn't that clever? You've got to have recipes in a kitchen. And oh my goodness, here is a Jim Shore nativity set. That is so, so special. More gingerbread. And lastly, a view of this beautiful nativity scene. I showed this last year as well. Linda and Jerry cut these out and hand painted them themselves, created this entire nativity scene. Isn't it something? So friends, that's the end of our tour. I'm hoping you have enjoyed it and maybe got some inspiration. And of course, I'm wishing you all the merriest of Christmas and have a blessed time celebrating the birth of our Lord, baby Jesus.